On today's first look, we have a 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. I have Mike McCullen here joining us to tell us a lot about this beautiful Boss 9 and what makes it so rare.
Thanks, Craig. Probably my most favorite Mustang of all time is the 69 Boss 429. This car is really neat. It's KK 1358. It's one of the early production 69 Boss 429s. They built 857 Boss 429 Mustangs in 1969. Around the first 250 cars were designated as the S engine. A little different than the later motors. It had a little shorter rod. It had a hydraulic camshaft. Really rare car. This car is finished in royal maroon, which I love the color. I mean, with the black deluxe interior, all Boss 9s came with the black deluxe interior. The power comes from the 429 engine with the close ratio 4-speed manual transmission and the 9-inch with housing the 391 gears, which is the nodular case with the big 31 spline axles.
What makes this car so rare? You know, Mike being a Mustang guy. Now, I've had one of these. I restored it, bought it from the original owner, and I can tell you the rarity of the parts that are put into this car when it was restored. Smog equipment, snorkel. You want to walk us through it, Mike?
Absolutely. There's so many Boss 429 specific components on the 1969 model. What really makes the Boss 429 unique is under the car, and it's the suspension. So in 1968, Ford had an issue with a lot of the bearings failing on the front spindles. So they designed an all-new spindle called the KKX spindle. This car has the original KKX style spindles. They are unique to the Boss 429, along with the rear sway bar and the trunk-mounted battery.
Ultra rare car, spectacular restoration. That's why I wanted Mike to come in and talk a little bit about the specifics of this car, the pedigree of this car, the parts that were used in its restoration. Best part, it is selling at no reserve at our 2022 Las Vegas auction, June 30th through July 2nd, holiday weekend. Spectacular cars coming there at no reserve. See you there.